Test 2, 2.5. Oh, there's a lock on there. Jeez. Kind of what I was afraid of. It's going back a lot. I don't know why I ran over here. Yeah, losing a bunch. Tipped a bunch. This is kind of going over here. And it's kind of draining out more than I wanted it to. But I am getting good movement over here. And I do want to... Alright. So we're getting this one filled. We are back filling over here. And we did flow out a little bit extra. This is good what I'm standing on. That's a good motion. This is all pretty good. Not super upset about it. Could be better. Got some leakage, some offset. So maybe this needs to be a little bit lower. But I like this. Don't like that. Gonna have to work on that, but look at this. This is all nice and flowing. And then it stopped here. So I did a good job with that. It is coming. Let's go to this side. One of these bad boys is filling up. Starting to come back a little bit. But alright, so that needs to be better. Yeah, we'll work on this today and get the rocks put in. And I'm thinking like a lavender and a rosemary, and the wildflowers are mostly going to be in this area. I did plug a few in here and down there. Not getting as much. Well, there's a good bit of it that is draining. Let's go check it out. We got about a quarter of a tank left. That's flowing in. Oh, so what's happening here? So there's like a hole, like a mouse hole, and even though it's not connected, it is popping out right over there. Got some bubbles. And that is going well. That makes me super happy. Even though it didn't connect, it is spreading like I kind of wanted. Boom. Spread. Off to that side, and of course this is where my thought process, I'm going to make a couple compost bins, but mostly little short ones. And these will be like gardening areas. Let's go take a look at what this is doing. Zuni bowl filled up again pretty well. Still got that mucky. It doesn't look like soap. It smelled like Dawn soap yesterday, but maybe it's just like a little bit of the Dawn moving the mud and giving it some kind of, I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure why here is. I mean, there is. Maybe it's just the backflow that I did, the dirt and stuff. That makes me freaking happy. My favorite rock. Made a river. Not a big river. Yesterday, or last night, we got all the way down here. This blue disc was my marker, unintentionally. And it seems that maybe we'll have something similar happen this time. So this bad bitch fills. Let's check it out. Thinking about a spot to drop a water tank like that bad boy, and maybe right around here, because it's kind of high here, and mostly obviously I'm gonna have to cut that again like I said, and probably something else to connect here to there. I do have a swell that's right there, which will probably where I put it tonight. I'll probably do tonight, try to hug this creosote the best I can without hurting her, and then drop all that water. And today I'll see if I can't make sure that there's some better connections. But this is looking pretty freaking swell.